In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zelle with Citizens Bank. By the end, you'll be enrolled and ready to send and receive money quickly and securely, all from your mobile device. Start by opening the Citizens Bank mobile app and signing into your account. Make sure your app is up to date and that you have a reliable internet connection. If you use biometric login, that works too. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the option labeled Zelle or Send Money with Zelle. The exact wording can vary by app version, but it's typically easy to spot on the home screen or within the Payments or Transfers area. If this is your first time, tap Get Started or Enroll. The app may show a brief overview of how Zelle works and ask you to review terms. Read through the information so you know what to expect, then continue to begin enrollment. Next, add the contact information you want linked to Zelle. You can use a US mobile number or an email address. This is how people will find you on Zelle, so pick the one you check most often. You can usually update this later if your contact details change. To confirm it's really you, enter the verification code sent to your phone or email. Codes typically arrive within a few seconds and may expire quickly, so have your messaging app or inbox ready. If you don't see the code, check your spam or junk folder or request a new one. Never share this code with anyone. It's only for your enrollment. Now choose the Citizens Bank checking account you want to use with Zelle. This will be your default account for sending and receiving money. If you have more than one checking account, pick the one you use most often for everyday transactions. You can usually switch accounts later if your needs change. Finally, review your details and tap Confirm to complete the setup. Take a moment to double check your contact info and selected account so everything is accurate. After confirmation, you should see the Zelle screen in your app, indicating you're all set. That's it, you're now successfully set up with Zelle in Citizens Bank and ready to send or receive money, typically within minutes. As a quick tip, only send money to people you know and trust, and always verify the recipient's email or mobile number before confirming a payment. If you were previously enrolled with Zelle at another bank, the app may prompt you to move your enrollment. Follow the on-screen guidance if needed. Thanks for watching and enjoy the convenience of Zelle with Citizens Bank.